Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Law Minds. In this video, I'll be discussing ways through which an individual can get their phones back. Losing your phone can be incredibly stressful, especially if you're unsure about how to retrieve it. In India, where almost everyone relies on their phones daily, these devices hold a wealth of personal information: passwords, financial details, emails, documents, photos, and more. The loss of a phone causes worry not just about its security, but also the potential expense of replacing it. In this video, we'll be exploring the steps an individual can take to recover their lost phones. The first step is to gather the required information. If you've misplaced your phone and are thinking of legal measures to retrieve it, it's essential to gather key information about your device first. This information assists in the identification, tracking, and validating of ownership. Some of the crucial details you should obtain are the IMEI number, which is a unique 15-digit code that distinguishes your phone and allows it to be blocked from an unauthorized use. You can find it by dialing *#06#, or you can find it in your phone setting. The second essential detail that should be obtained is your phone number, which is a number associated with your SIM card and which is vital for contacting your network provider to block the SIM and your phone. The make and model of your phone. It is critical to know about the make and model of your phone for identification and proving ownership. This includes the brand and the specific model. And lastly, the serial number, which is another unique code that helps in verifying ownership, which can be found in your settings or by scanning the barcode of your phone. The second step in the process can be filing an FIR. If your phone is lost and you're considering legal steps to retrieve it, a crucial action can be to file a first information report under section 154 of the CRPC at the nearest police station. To file an FIR, the following details need to be provided to the police officer in charge: your name, address, contact information, description of your phone including the make, model, IMEI number, serial number, and phone number, time and place of the phone's loss or theft, circumstances surrounding the loss or theft, any suspicions or clues regarding the person involved or possible location, proof of ownership such as the phone's purchase receipt. You must also ensure that you obtain the unique FIR number assigned to your complaint. Filing an FIR is not solely a legal requirement but also a preventive measure, guarding against potential liability resulting from someone else using your phone. For instance, if your phone is misused for illegal activities, having an FIR can establish your innocence. Moreover, an FIR improves the chances of recovering your phone, as the police can track it and block it using the IMEI number. The third step can be contacting the service provider. This is another action you can take to regain control and get in touch with your service provider to ask them to deactivate your SIM card and block your phone number. This action will prevent unauthorized use of your phone for calls, messages, or internet access, ensuring the safeguarding of your personal information like contacts, messages, photos, and videos from being accessed or misused. While contacting your service provider, you'll need to furnish your phone number, SIM card number, and proof of identity. The SIM card number can typically be found on the back of your SIM card, on its packaging or receipt, or within your online account with the service provider. It's wise to maintain a secure record of both your SIM card number and your proof of identity. Upon your request, the service provider will deactivate your SIM card, block your phone number, and send you a confirmation message or email. Keep this confirmation as evidence for your action. You can also inquire if the service provider can track your phone's location via the IMEI number or provide a call detail record to assist in identifying the person in possession of your phone or its location. Apart from liaising your service provider, it's essential to change the passwords for any online applications or accounts linked to your phone, such as Gmail, Google Contacts, Google Calendar, Facebook, WhatsApp, and others. This step will prevent unauthorized access to your phone data or accounts through your phone. Additionally, if available, activate the remote wipe or lock feature of your phone, allowing you to erase or secure your phone's data remotely. The fourth step is tracking and tracing. This is a method which can be used to retrieve your mobile phone by utilizing tracking applications or services installed or enabled on your device. These tools enable location tracking, ringing, locking, erasing data, or displaying messages remotely. Well-known options include Google Find My Phone and Samsung Find My Mobile. Additionally, you can opt for other apps like Find My Phone, Lost Android, and Cerberus from the Google Play Store, or other sources offering similar features. However, it must be kept in mind that these tracking devices or these tracking services might not function if your phone is switched off or out of battery, or it lacks network coverage, or has disabled GPS or internet. In such cases, Google Maps location history can help trace your phone's last known location if connected to your Google account with internet access. If successful in locating your phone through these means, it's crucial to involve the police for safe retrieval rather than attempting it yourself, which could be risky or illegal. The last step in this process could be filing an application for return of property. If your phone is found by the police or someone else, you can reclaim it through an application for return of property under Section 451 of the CRPC at relevant court. This legal process allows the recovery of seized property linked to a criminal case. Following are the steps for filing the application. Number 1, identify the court with jurisdiction based on where your phone was lost or found, or where the FIR was filed. Second, draft a written application detailing personal information, phone specifics, FIR details, reasons for reclaiming the phone, and evidence of ownership. Third, attach supporting documents like copy of the FIR, phone purchase receipt, identity proof, and other ownership proofs. Fourth, submit the application to the court with a fee, serving copies to the police officer handling your case and the individual possessing your phone if known. Fifth, attend the court hearing with original documents. Be prepared to identify your phone and answer any court queries. If the court approves your application and evidence, it will release your phone after verifying ownership. Collect it from the court or the police and then sign a receipt. Although filing for the return of property is your legal entitlement as the owner, be mindful of potential risks like damage or loss of your phone during court or police custody, or potential rejection or delay due to insufficient evidence or procedural mistakes. Seeking legal counsel before filing is advisable to navigate these complexities. Lastly, to conclude, in this present era where technology is at the forefront of our lives, losing your mobile phone can be very stressful. It's important to understand the legal steps outlined in this video, as it empowers the individual to navigate the complex process of reclaiming their lost phones within the legal framework. While technology has evolved to provide solutions for phone recovery, knowing and utilizing legal procedures remain important. In conclusion, this video provides individuals with the necessary knowledge to protect their rights when faced with the loss of a mobile device. Thank you.